What's up YouTube, Josh Bacon here, also known as JB the Car Fanatic. Now, 6 years ago, on the 22nd of February 2013, when I was 12 years old, there was a car accident on our road in front of where we live. It involved a Renault Clio and a Mercedes A-Class, but fortunately, no one was seriously injured or killed in this crash. Now, after it had happened, I actually recorded the aftermath of the crash on the PlayStation Vita that I had back then, and the clips are still on the memory card onto which they were recorded onto to this day. And in this video, I will show you all the clips I recorded of the aftermath of this crash in full. Please note that because these clips were recorded on the Vita, they won't be as good quality as the videos that I record and upload today, but nevertheless, here they are in full. Enjoy!
Now, if you're wondering why there are two cars blocking the road, well, it's because there's been an accident today. On your left is a Renault Clio, and on your right is a Mercedes A-Class. Here we have two responder units, a Vauxhall Movano ambulance, and a Ford Focus Estate police car. I wonder if this will be on the news. Or something. Oh, there's an oil leak. Look carefully. Oh, there's the paramedics. Oh, a traffic jam. It's really difficult to cross. And as you can see, if you look, the cars have to swerve to miss the cars, or else they might crash. Now I'm wondering if this might be broadcast on TV news or something. Well, see you next time. Well, this is it. They are now pushing the car onto... They are now reversing the car onto a tow truck. And there it goes. Oh, I'm lifting it up now. Here it is. Lowering it. Yeah. So removing some. We're sweeping up some parts. Oh, they're sweeping it up now. Oh, and look, one of the police cars has formed a roadblock. Oh, they're getting in the tow truck. Oh, they've tied the car down. And now they're driving it away to the menders. Goodbye, little Clio. There goes the police car, and it's trying to avoid that roadblock there. Which is, there's nothing he can do. He has no choice but to do a 1, 2, and 3. Oh look, there's another police car.
Well, those were all the clips I had recorded of the aftermath of the accident, all in full for your viewing pleasure. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share and comment on it. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel as well, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram too. I shall see you in the next video, but until then, this is Josh Bacon, also known as JB the Car Fanatic, signing off. Peace!